Good morning student, class 5th, subject science. I am your science teacher Rajiv Kumar. Now here we will discuss according to given part, according to here written point. See the observe one by one all of you. Yes my dear student. Yes, we will discuss first point, remain explanation of lesson number 5, plant reproduction. Yes, according to given point as that. Yes, see the observe. Yes my dear student. Second point we will discuss to here exercise and question answer. Yes my dear student, see the observe one by one. First of all my dear student, we will discuss to here in this video. Yes, remain part of lesson number 5, reproduction by spore. See the observe. Now here have you seen to here reproduction by spore. Some plant do not have the seed my dear student, and they have the tiny seed like a structure called the spore. Spore help these plant to reproduce. If you will see to now here already here the given picture. Yes my dear student. Yes, okay, the spore help these plant to reproduce. Example mushroom, fern. Okay my dear student, see the observe here. If you will see to here the given picture, yes, that yes this is structure, yes spore. Okay my dear student, on the leaf part downside. Yes, okay, spore are the very light and can be dispersed by the wind very easily. Okay my dear student, see the observe. Next you will see to here second point, we will discuss reproduction from the body part, the vegetative reproduction. Some plant, have you seen to here the given picture, so many picture. Yes, see the observe. Yes, carrot, turnip, radish. Yes my dear student. Okay, yes, example of the plant whose the root can give the rise to new plant, as that you will see. If you will cut, yes my dear student, the upper part, okay, carrot, turnip, radish. So what happened that after cutting, yes, if you will use, yes, put down in a bowl and dip in water, after some time you will see and observe downside part will grow. Okay, yes my dear student, after cutting down part, yes, downside, upper part downside will grow. Okay, yes, and converted into, yes, okay, give rise to new plant. Okay, will convert into new plant. See the observe. Yes my dear student, as it. Next, if you will see to here given picture, yes, okay, try it yourself. Have you seen to beetroot? Okay my dear student, this example potato. Yes, have you seen to sweet potato? Okay, yes my dear student. What happened that, yes, the jam bottle you will take the empty glass, transparent glass, and yes, after cutting sweet potato upper part, then what happened that you will see an upper side just like an upper side. Yes, cut the part you will put down here, and with the yes stable condition with the help of toothstick, as that written in your given example. Yes my dear, and after some time you will see downside part of the after cutting downside part will grow in a water very easily few days. Okay, yes, see the observe my dear student. Next you will see to here, yes, another way by stem rose, money plant, hibiscus, potato, onion, so many plant already here. You will see to here given plant, okay, related parts, the root, okay, and stem and leaves. But now here in this we will discuss to stem. Potato, yes, potato is a stem, onion, and rose stick also stem. You after cutting the rose plant stick, stem, and then you will grow in a, yes, as a plant. After some time root will generate and buds, new baby plant will come. Okay. And next you will see to here potato, yes, small bud is here and bud will grow, yes, new plant. Okay, my dear student, have you seen to here? Yes, new plant will grow as that. And onion also the leaf will generate, yes, leaf will generate upper side and root downside. Okay, if you will grow. Okay, yes, my dear student, see the observe. So now in this, yes, so a piece of the potato, have you seen to here written is a piece of potato with an eyes and place the moist and soil can grow into a new plant, if you will see. So you will try to yourself. Next you will see, take an onion and place in a soil, and you will try to yourself with the help of your parent and leave and that few days, after some time you will check. See the observe. Next another is by leaves, have you seen to here? Yes, by leaf. Okay, the very important plant are already Bryophyllum. Yes, nearby home or your home also available, will possible you will check. What happen that if you will take the leaf, okay, yes, what happen that you will take the leaf, yes, the corner side is small baby plant will generate if you will grow through the leaf. Yes, my dear student, yes, check, have you seen to I will, yes, my dear student, the baby plant will grow, yes, okay, and root will be downside generated, baby plant will grow from the leaf side. Okay, yes, if you will use the Bryophyllum leaf. So my dear student, the leaves of plant, yes, like you will see too, if you will take the begonia or Bryophyllum leaf and that time after some time you will check and grow. So yes, if you will take the leaf and you will grow and near side the moisture soil and they the develop, yes, small baby plant corner side of the leaf, yes, in the Bryophyllum. See the observe, my dear student. Next you will see very easily. Next is effect through a technique the called tissue culture, complete plant can grow for the single cell. So you have by the stem, by root, by leaf, my dear student, as that you will see the observe. Yes, quick the recall you will read, previously I had discussed. Next, yes, new word also I had discussed. Yes, you will read and carefully, is very important. Next, now the exercise already given here, you will see the observe, take the correct answer. Yes, a plant that produce the from in stem, yes, carrot, turnip, radish, the in a answer is potato. You will see a plant that produce from the spore, have you seen to here, rose, onion, fern, yes, and P, have you seen a plant to produce from the spore, fern. C, male parts of the flower, yes, stigma, anther, style, the answer is anther. And D, the part of the, you will see to provide the food, baby plant, yes, the answer seed coat, embryo, cotyledon, none of these, the answer is cotyledon. E, a complete flower has the 1 holes, 2 holes, 3 holes, 4 holes, the answer is, have you seen to 4 holes. And next question number 2, you will see to here, yes, my dear student, see the observe, yes, yes, understand and the fill the blank, you will see the bin and water, coconut, you will see to example water and coconut, yes, the wind, cotton, stem, rose and then begonia, you will see stem, yes, rose, and leaf should be write down begonia. Okay, as that. Next is radical and plum, shoot, radical, root. Okay, if you will see to down D, monocotyledon type of, yes, the answer is in a rice. Okay, and dicotyledonous bean. Okay, should be write down. Next the answer rose, you will see, and a mushroom, which type of, the right answer is already written here, spore. Okay, germination by the spore, but rose you will see to the answer is stem, have you seen. Next, yes, third question, write true and false, you will see to here, flower, produce, seed, true. Okay, top strictly part of the curl, style, false. Come on. Yes. Cucumber are the dispersed by the wind. You will see 2 now here, and third, true and false. If the comment will be right, should be write down true. If comment will be wrong, should be write down false. The answer is here. Okay. Yes. False. D. The ovary from the seed. False. Pollen grain are the present in anther. True. The germinated seed is require air. False. Because now germination need air, water and warm climate. Okay. Yes. Question answer already give. Yes, you will give. Okay. Yes, my dear student, as it write down all of you. Already given here, see the observe, check. Yes, already written is here, see the observe. Okay. So, first of all, question number 4a. What are the 3 ways by which plant reproduce? The answer is here, plant reproduce. See the observe. What are the 3 ways by which plant reproduce? The answer is by seed, by spore, by body part. B. They explain the 4 holes of the flower: sepal, petal, stamen, carpel. As that should be write down the given answer as that in on your fair copy. See the observe. Okay. So, first of all, question number C. Define the germination. Name the 3 conditions essential for germination. The process by which is the seed grow into the seedling is called germination. The 3 conditions essential for the germination: air, moisture and warmth. Is that clear? Next, question number D. What is the vegetative reproduction? List the against the vegetative reproduction. Given an example of it, you will see 2 now here as that. The some plant is reproduced from the body parts. You will see 2 now here. The already here written, such as the method. You will see 2 here by root, by stem, by leaf. Yes. Example by root carrot, example by stem rose, example by leaf bryophyllum. See the observe. Next. Question number E. Explain the process of germination. You will see 2 here. During the process of germination, the seed absorb the water, and after some time you will see 2 now here that the yes, after absorbing, and now root grow the downward, and yes, my dear student, and now you will see the shoot grow the bud, and seedling used to food cotyledon and grow until the green leaves on the shoot, and that now cotyledon dry and falls off. See the observe. Next. Yes. Yes. Question number F. You will see explain the parts of seed and the structure of seed. The consists of following parts. You will see seed coat, cotyledon, embryo. Have you seen to seed? Structure of seed as that you will explain. In between you will see the cotyledon, the baby part, baby plant. See the observe. Should we write down the answer? Question number 4 sub part F. Explain the parts of seed as that you will write down. Yes, and the last question, define the terms embryo, pollination and fertilization. Embryo is any baby plant. You will see here pollination, the process of transferring the pollen grain from the stamen to stigma is called pollination. Fertilization, the process is pollen grain fused to the ovule is called fertilization. So, my dear student, you will complete the given work as it. See the observe one by one. Yes, I hope all of you follow the given instruction as it. Thanks to all. Yes, please complete the exercise in your book and question answer on your fair copy. Thanks to all. See the observe. Thanks.